no!
What happened?
I don't know which train we need.
Let's ask someone. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Which train goes to Central Station? This station is really busy.
Yes, it is.
Let's check our train.
Okay.
I can't find our train.
Me neither.
Let's ask someone.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Which train goes to Central Station?
The blue line goes to Central Station. Is that the train over there? Yes, it is.
Thank you. Hello, where are you going? We're going to Central Station. One way or round trip?
Round trip, please.
That will be $20.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here are your tickets. Thank you. Which platform do we need?
Platform 4.
Where is platform 4?
Platform 4 is downstairs. Let's go.
Our train leaves at 10:30.
We have 10 minutes.
Good, we have time. Is that our train?
Yes, that's our train.
Let's go.
Ready for the next stop?
Ready. And now you know how to ask for help at a transportation station in English. Now it's time for the listening challenge. I'll ask you 5 questions about our trip. Listen carefully and try to answer before the 3-second timer ends. Let's begin. Question 1. Where were Sophia and Jason going? The answer is Central Station. Which line went to Central Station? It's the blue line. What type of ticket did Jason buy? A round-trip ticket. Which platform did they need? It's platform 4. What time did their train leave? It's 10:30. Great job! Now let's review some useful vocabulary from today's episode. Let's review the first word. A ticket is what you need to travel on a train or bus. I need a ticket to Central Station. Let's review another word. A platform is the area where you wait for a train. Which platform do we need? Let's review another word. A one-way ticket is for traveling to one destination without a return trip. Let's review another word. A round-trip ticket is for going somewhere and returning. Let's review another word. Departure means the time when a train, bus, or plane leaves. What time is the departure? Now it's your turn to speak. I'll give you a situation. You have 3 seconds to answer. Try to speak out loud. Let's begin. You want to know which train goes to your destination. What would you ask? Which train goes to Central Station? You want to go and come back. What would you say? Round trip, please. You want to travel to Central Station. What would you say? I need a ticket to Central Station. I need a ticket to Central. You have your ticket, but you don't know where to go. What would you ask? Which platform do we need? Today, you learned useful English for traveling by train. You learned how to ask for a ticket and find your platform. Remember, speaking English gets easier when you practice. See you next time! Jason, where should we go next?
Let's find out.
I I love this city.